Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on eplustudents.com. You have to using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 3 math and then click on view. Excuse me. Click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter probability and statistics. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 3 math. Chapter we're on right now is probability and statistics. Let's just start with the lesson that is certain, probable, unlikely, and impossible. So let's just start with the lesson. Likely is that the spinner will land on a yellow space. So just look at the spinner. First, we need to count the portions on the spinner. So the spinner has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. The spinner has total 12 equal parts, right? Yellow, 8 of them are yellow and are green, right? So that means the most of the portion is yellow, right? Because 8 of the portions are yellow. So that means it is probable the spinner will land on yellow space because the spinner has more yellow space. So it is probable that it will land on yellow. Got it? Mm. So the spinner has more yellow portion. So that means it will land on yellow. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is that you will pick a yellow one? So let's just count the total marbles. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 marbles. So in total we have 5 marbles. We have of them are yellow and we have only one marble that is green. So that means it is probable when you it is probable when you are going to select the marble without looking, you will select the yellow. Why? Probable it is. See, we have 4 words here: unlikely, impossible, certain, and probable. So let's just understand those words. Impossible means never ever. Like if you are going to select the red marble over here, do we have any red marble over here? No, we don't have any yellow marble over here. So it is impossible. Sorry, we don't have any red marble over here. So we will never ever select the red marble. That means it is impossible. How do we select the red marble when we don't have any? Got it? Then the word certain means whenever you are selecting, you select yellow. This is possible in the case when we have all the marbles are yellow. So whenever you are going to select, you select the yellow marble. That means certainly you will select the yellow. And unlikely means like you have four yellow marbles. For the green one, it is unlikely to select green because you have most of them are yellow. So mostly you select the yellow, and only very less chance you will select the green because you have only one green. That means unlikely you will select the green. But for the yellow, it is probable. How likely is that you will select the yellow? Well, probable. You have most of the chances you will select the yellow. Got it? So, how likely is that you will select the yellow one? Probable. Because you have four yellow marbles and one green, so mostly you will select the yellow. So, probably you will select the yellow. How likely is that the spinner will land on yellow space? So see, now we have all the spinner that is yellow. So whenever you spin, you will select the yellow space. So that means certainly you will select the yellow space because more all the chances if you spin 10 times, if you spin 100 times, every time it will land on yellow. So certainly it will land on yellow. So the correct option is certain. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is that you will pick a green one? Now, do we have any green marble over here? No, we don't have any green marble here. So it is impossible, very good, to select the green marble because we do not have any. How can we select the green? So impossible it is. Very good. How likely is that the spinner will land on a yellow space? So let's just count the portions of the spinner. The spinner has total 12 portions. Eight of them are yellow and four of them green. So how likely is that the spinner will select the yellow space? Probable. Very good. Because most of the portion is yellow, so it is probable you will select the yellow marble. So the correct option is probable. Option number four is the correct option, so it is probably you will select the yellow marble. How likely is that the spinner will land on a blue space? So which is the correct option? Probably, like certainly it will land on blue. Very good. Like whenever you spin, so it will land on blue. So certainly it will land on blue. How likely is that the spinner will land on a green space? Impossible it is. Because we don't have any green space, so how it will land on green? Green, it is impossible. Option number three is the correct option. Very good. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is that you will pick a purple one? So we have only one purple marble, right? So that means it is unlikely, very less chance to pick the purple one. So unlikely it is. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is that you will pick a white one? So it is unlikely to select the white because we have only one white space. So it is unlikely. Option number three is the correct option. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is that you will pick an orange one? Very good. It is unlikely. We don't have any orange marble over here. So unlikely to select the orange one because we don't have orange, right? So unlikely it is. Sorry, not unlikely. Impossible. We don't have any orange here, so it is impossible. Excuse me. If you select a marble without looking, how likely is that you will pick a purple one? If you select a marble without looking, how likely is that you will pick a purple one? So, which is the correct option? All of them are purple. So, that means it is. It is certainly you will select the purple one. Option number one is the correct option. Option number one is the correct option. Like whenever you are going to select, excuse me, you will select the purple one. How likely is that the spinner will land on green space? You have total 10 portions. Six of them are blue and four of them are green. So that means it is unlikely to select the green. The correct option is unlikely. Option number one is the correct option. Very good. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Mean, median, mode, and range. Let's just start with the lesson. So now we are going to learn how do we calculate the mean, median, mode, and range with the given data, right? The first example is what is the median? Relate the word median with the word middle, right? So basically, median means you need to find the middle number of the given data. So for the middle number, we need to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. That is the first step we have to do. Whatever number they are, just arrange them from least. So they are 3, 3, 8, 10, and 10. Wait just 1 minute. Okay, so the first step we have to do is we need to arrange the numbers from least to greatest. Then the middle number is the one that divides the data into two equal groups. So we have five numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The third one is the middle one that divides the data into two equal groups. See, before the median you have two numbers and after the median we have two numbers, right? And before the median we have all the numbers that are that are less than median, and after the median we have all the numbers that are greater than median. Got it? Okay, let's just start with the test questions. What is mean? So for the mean, now we are going to calculate the mean of the given data. So how do we calculate the mean? For the mean, we need to add up all the given numbers. So let's just add all the given numbers. So when we add all the given numbers, they are 2 plus 2 plus 0, 4 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So sum of all the numbers is 14 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So sum of all the numbers divided by the number of given numbers. We are given 7 numbers. So add them all and divide them by the 7. So 14 divided by 7 is 2, because 7 times 2 is 4. So that means the mean of the number is 2. Got it? So what is the mean of the given data? For the mean, we need to add up all the numbers divided by the number of given values. So we are given 7 values, so we need to divide it by the 7. So the mean of the given data is 7. Got it? Sorry, mean of the given data is 2, because 7 times 2 is 14. What is the mean? Now again we need to calculate the mean, so we need to calculate the sum of all the numbers divided by the number of given values. So let's just calculate the sum. 5 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 1 plus 3 plus 10 plus 7 divided by the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's just add. That is 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 3, 23, and 7, 30, and 10, 40. So 40 divided by 8 is 8 times 5 is 40. So the mean of the numbers is 5. The correct option is 5. Option number 3 is the correct option, that is 5. What is the median? So we need to arrange the numbers from least to greatest to calculate the median. So let's just arrange. That is 0, 0, 1, 3, 7, and 5. So what is the median? Median is the number that divides the data into two equal groups, right? Exactly the middle number it is. So that is 3. Before the median, you have all the numbers that are less than median. Yeah. And after the median, we have all the numbers that are greater than median. So the median is 3. Option number 2 is the correct option. What is the mean? So let's just calculate the mean. So we need to add them all divided by the 5 because they are 7 in number. 2 plus 7 plus 4 plus 8 plus 9 divided by 5. 7 and 2 and 4, 13. 21 and 9, 30. 30 divided by 5. So what is the mean? So that is 50 divided by 5 is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 6. The correct option is 6. Is the median, which is the correct option? The median, for the median, we need to arrange them from least to greatest. So 2, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So what is the median? So the median is 7. 7 is the number that divides the data into two equal groups. So that is 7. Again, we need to calculate the median. So what is the median? So the median is 8. The correct option is 8. What is the median? So the median is the number that divides the data into two equal groups. So what is the median? That is 0. Option number 1 is the correct option. What is the median? So what is the median? So the median is 3. The correct option is option number 1, that is 3. What is the median? Three it is. The correct option is 3. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is interpret charts to find mean, median, mode, and range. Some dealerships compared their vehicle sales. What is the mean of the numbers? Let's just calculate the mean. That is 5, 10, and 15, 17, 11, 12, 18, 17. So we need to calculate the mean. Just add 7 and 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, 23 and 7, 30, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That is 90. Let's just divide it by the 1, 2, 4, 5, 6. 6 it is. So 90 by 6 is 15. So the mean of the numbers is 15. The correct option is 15. So the mean is 15. Let's just start with the test questions. The newspaper photographer logged how many pictures he had taken in the past 7 days. What is the mean of the numbers? You need to calculate the mean. So first, learn is how do we read the values from the data. So here you have 90, you have 50, again 50, then here we have 100, then here we have 100, we have 80, and we have 20. We need to calculate the mean, so we need to add 90, 50, 50, 100, 200, 300, 400, 490 it is, and divided by the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the mean of all the numbers divided by the given value. So that is 70. So the mean of the given is 70. So the correct option is 70. The correct option is 70. Some friends compared the size of the sticker collection. So we need to calculate the mean of the given data, right? So basically we need to calculate the tally mark. Each one, we have four lines like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the fifth like this, so we can read as 5, right? So they are 5, 5, 10, and 5, 15, and 1, 16. So we have 16 over here. Then 5, 5, 10, and 5, 15, 16, 17 it is. Then we have 5, 5, 10, and 5, 15. Then we have 5, 10, 15, and 1, 16 it is. Then 5, 10, 15, and 1, 16 it is. 5, 10, and 15, so we have 15. Then we have 5 and 5, 10. So we need to calculate the sum of all the values. 6, 12, 18, 18 and 10, 28, 21 and 7, 35. 5 and 3 carry. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to divide it by the 8. So which is the correct option? 8 times 2 is 10. 8 times 3 is 24. The correct option is option number 2, that is 23. 15. We have said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 7. So 105 divided by 7 is 15. So the correct option is 15. Keenan's classmates revealed how many science articles they read. How many? What is the mean of the numbers? We need to calculate the mean of the given data. So that is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 5, 10, and 15, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5 and 3, 8, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 10 and 2, 12. 7 and 5, 12, and 8, 20, 20 and 8, 28, 28 and 8, 36, and 2, 38. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 78. We 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by the 6. 6 times 1 is 6 and 6 times 3 is 18. So that is 13. So the correct option is That is 13. So mean of the numbers is 13. The art lab examined how many cookies each baked and baked for the bake sale. What is the mean of the numbers? 5 and 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 11, 19, 11, 9, 10, 19 and 1, 20, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 70 divided by 5. 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 4 is 20. The correct option is 14. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 14. Option number 1 is the correct option. Some dealerships compare their vehicle sales. What is the mean of the numbers? For all the lesson is full of the mean. 5, 10, 15, 17, 16, 7, sorry, 11, 12, 18, 17, 7, 5, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 8, 23, and 7, 30. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 90. They are 6 in number, so 90 divided by 6 is, that is 15. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 15. What is the mean of the numbers? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15, 24. We have 4 here, 2 carry. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 104 it is. And divided by the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that is 8 times 1 is 8 and 8 times 3 is 24. So the correct option is 13 it is. Option number 3 is the correct option. So please make sure before the next you can complete all the lessons by yourself today. So we get grade 3 math. Chapter we were working on is probability in statistics. The lessons we have covered today are certain, probability, and impossible, mean, median, mode, and range. Interpret charts to find mean, median, mode, and range. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons which that is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, click on the live chat button. To available there to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions. So please write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusion. if you have any. Any questions, you can please ask if you have any. No questions.